Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about birds of prey. Let's get started. Number 1, eagle. A large bird of prey with powerful wings and sharp vision. The eagle is flying high in the sky. Eagles can see their prey from far away. Number 2, hawk. A medium-sized bird of prey with fast flight. Example: the hawk is hunting a small rabbit. Hawks have excellent eyesight. Number 3, falcon. A fast-flying bird of prey often used in hunting. Example: the falcon is diving to catch its prey. Falcons are among the fastest birds in the world. Number 4, owl. A nocturnal bird of prey with large eyes. Example: the owl is sitting on a branch at night. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. Number 5, vulture. A large bird that eats dead animals. Example: the vulture is circling above the desert. Vultures help clean nature by eating dead animals. Number 6, kestrel. A small falcon that can hover in the air. Example: the kestrel is hovering above the field. Kestrels eat insects and small rodents. Number 7, osprey. A bird of prey that mainly eats fish. The osprey catches fish in its claws. Ospreys live near rivers and lakes. Number 8, harrier. A bird of prey that flies low over fields. The harrier is searching for food in the grass. Harriers have long wings and tails. Number 9, buzzard. A medium-sized bird of prey common in Europe. Example: the buzzard is sitting on a fence post. Buzzards often hunt small mammals. Number 10, kite. A bird of prey with long wings and a forked tail. The kite is gliding in the wind. Kites are gracefully flyers.